Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Audi V8, a powerful blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're thinking of upgrading your drive, this might just be the perfect choice. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Audi V8 carries forward Audi's design language but refines it for a more aggressive and commanding presence. The signature single-frame grille is wider and lower, flanked by sharper, matrix LED headlights that give the car a futuristic and assertive look. Along the sides, bold character lines and sculpted surfaces emphasize its athletic stance. The rear is equally eye-catching, featuring OLED taillights and quad exhausts that hint at the beast under the hood. Sitting on 20 to 21-inch alloys, the V8 looks both elegant and menacing. Underneath that sleek exterior lies its real strength, performance. The 2025 Audi V8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering a whopping 620 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. This translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.4 seconds. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the car offers incredible traction, precision handling, and exhilarating speed. Adaptive air suspension ensures comfort when you want it and sharp control when you need it. Audi Drive Select allows drivers to tailor their experience, whether cruising in comfort or tearing through corners in dynamic mode. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a luxurious, tech-filled cabin. The interior of the 2025 V8 is wrapped in premium leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents. The 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus, paired with the dual MMI touch displays, offers an intuitive and responsive infotainment experience. The seats are both heated and ventilated with massage functions, ensuring long drives remain relaxing. Ambient lighting, a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, and advanced driver assistance systems complete the package, making it as smart as it is comfortable. Finally, let's talk price. The base model of the 2025 Audi V8 starts around $98,000, but with all the premium packages and performance upgrades, it can easily surpass $120,000. It's a serious investment, but one that delivers unmatched performance, style, and luxury. That's it for today's review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more high-performance car reviews. This is NG Auto Review. Drive smart, drive strong.